What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Nike React Element 87 in the Royal Tint colorway. These dropped back on February 15th for $160 or $215 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Royal Tint, Black, Wolf Gray, and Solar Red, and it continues the highly successful run of this React Element 87 model. So on my channel, you probably have noticed I've reviewed a ton of different colorways of this model, so today's review isn't going to be too in-depth. This is more just a breakdown of the different colors found on this shoe. So jumping straight into this, we have this ripstop nylon upper, and this is done in this beautiful Royal Tint color. This blue has a very tropical feel to it, and overall the whole shoe itself has a very summer vibe to it. Running up the center of the toe box, we have this contrast pink stitching, which adds to the whole tropical vibe of the shoe. Above this, we have this U-shaped piece of leather, which is done in gray. And then as we move up the center area of the shoe, we have this hit of green colored suede with this hit of purple fuse underneath. In terms of the eyelets, so these are gray colored eyelets with hits of 3M in the center, and the top eyelet has this bean shaped piece of leather, once again done in wolf gray. The laces in this case is your standard trail style lace done in white, and then underneath this we have the tongue, which is done in that same ripstop nylon material. In the center we have this hit of black suede, which helps to hold the laces in place. And then we have the Nike React branding and the swoosh pinwheel found on the top of the tongue. On the midfoot of the lateral side only, we have this large Nike swoosh done in wolf gray. And then moving towards the back heel, once again we have that contrast pink stitching that's found on either side. Surrounding the bottom of the back heel, we have this small gray colored TPU heel counter, which has the Nike React branding embossed on the lateral side. Taking a look at the very back of the shoe, so we have this triangular hit of gray suede with this pink Nike swoosh in the middle, and then above this we have this small pull tab with 3M in the center. Taking out the insole, once again we have your standard cork insole. We have this large Nike swoosh done in pink along with the Nike React branding on the heel. So the upper of these React Element 87s sits atop your full-length React foam midsole. Similar to all the other colorways, we have the signature carvings found throughout the midsole itself. And then we have these clear plugs which are embedded within the midsole, which changes its density, providing additional comfort and support where it's needed. Flipping these over to the bottom, so here we have your standard React Element 87 outsole. So for the most part, this is entirely done in this exposed foam. We have the Nike React branding etched out in the middle, and then we have these overlays of translucent rubber found on both the forefoot and the bottom heel, which gives you additional traction and durability. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and these guys fit me pretty true to size. So I scooped these up in a size 10, and they fit me very well, and size 10 is the size that I have been getting in this React Element 87 model across the board. Comfort-wise, these guys are exceptionally comfortable. I've mentioned this previously in my other reviews, but Nike React foam is the real deal, and I find that React gives you that perfect balance between the squishy softness while maintaining enough support so that your feet aren't absolutely tired and wrecked by the end of the day. So with all that said, now I'm sure you guys are waiting for this part of the video. Let me lace these up and show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, I think Nike's doing a great job in releasing amazing colorways on this model. I keep telling myself that this is going to be the last one I'm going to be picking up, and then lo and behold, a few weeks later they drop previews of another colorway that really catches my eye. This one specifically I think is going to look amazing once the weather turns warmer, and I love the tropical feel and the ocean vibe of this shoe. Honestly, I feel like pictures don't even do this shoe justice. It's completely different and much better when you have them in hand. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these Royal Tint React Element 87s. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.